Introducing the Tejas Research and Engineering Wireline Retrievable Variable Orifice Safety Valve Surge Valve, a new injection wireline safety valve solution for the oil and gas industry. The Wireline Retrievable VOI is run in its own dedicated VOI landing nipple. It is an API 14A replacement for traditional flapper-style injection safety valves. It has a low-flowing differential and is a surge protection valve. The assembly is made up of a high-flow lock on top and a VOI on the bottom. The high-flow lock has a smooth internal bore for injection operations. Initial injection pressure opens the VOI. The VOI continues to open and close, adjusting the orifice to a wide variety of flow regimes. This adjustment with flow allows the VOI to provide a consistent back pressure during a wide range of flow regimes. The VOI consistently has lower operational back pressures than any other wireline inserted injection safety valve. Once surface injection stops, any stored potential energy within the well is stopped by the VOI, protecting surface equipment and the reservoir from surge. The passive VOI operation is transparent during well operations. Again, the Wireline Retrievable VOI is an API 14A validated design with low back pressure, controlled erosional velocities, and significantly higher closure forces than traditional flapper-style injection safety valves. It's simply a better injection valve. Thanks for watching.